Good morning, noon, afternoon, or evening. Today I will be discussing sine law and cosine law. Let's get straight to the point. What is sine and cosine law? Sine law is used when we are given either two angles and one side or two sides and the non-included angle, SSA or side-side angle. Cosine law is used when we are given three sides, SSS or side-side-side, or two sides and an included angle, SAS or side-angle-side. If you'll notice, in SAS, the A is between the two S's, which means the A or the angle is included. Meanwhile, in SSA, or side-side angle, the A is on the side, which means the angle is not included. Moving on, what is the sine and cosine law's formula? For the law of sines, A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. On the other hand, on cosine law, there are multiple, because it depends on the angle or side you're looking for. For example, A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times cosine of A. For further understanding, here is a word problem involving sine and cosine law. Triangle ABC is a non-right triangle. Find its angles given A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, and C is equal to 13. First, we'll draw or illustrate the problem. Then, we'll find the angle opposite the longest side, which is C. Now, we'll solve using the formula C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2 times A times B times the cosine of C. Then, we substitute the values. C is equal to 13, A is equal to 5, and B is equal to 10. Now we simplify by squaring 13, 5, and 10 and multiplying 5 and 10. After that, we simplify again by adding 25 and 100 and multiplying 2 and 50. After that, we get 169 is equal to 125 minus 100 times the cosine of C. After that, we subtract both sides by negative 125 to get rid of the 125 on the other side of the equation. After that, we also divide both sides of the equation by negative 100 to get rid of the negative 100 on the other side of the equation. Then we'll get negative 0.44 is equal to the cosine of C. After that, with the help of the scientific calculator, we press Shift, then cosine, and add negative 0.44 or insert negative 0.44 to find the value of C. So C is equal to 116.10 degrees. This next part is up to you if you want to solve angle A or B first. But here I'll show you how to solve angle A using the law of sines. Since we're only solving for the value of angle A, we don't need B over sine B. So our formula will be A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Now we substitute the values. A is equal to 5, C is equal to 13, and sine C is sine 116.10. After that, we cross multiply, and we'll get 13 times sine A is equal to 5 times sine 116.10. Then we divide both sides by 13, and then with the help of a scientific calculator, we'll find the value of sine 116.10, which is 0.90, and then we simplify. We multiply 0.90 and 5, which is 4.5, and we divide 4.5 by 13, which is 0.35. So we get sine A is equal to 0.35. Again, with the help of a scientific calculator, we press Shift, then Sine, and insert 0.35 to find A. So A is equal to 20.49 degrees. Lastly, to find B, we add the two previous angles we calculated, which is 20.49 degrees and 116.10 degrees. After adding that, we subtract it by 180. So 180 minus 136.59 is equal to 43.41. So our B is equal to 43.41 degrees. To check the values of the angles we got, we added them all, and it's equal to 180, which means our answer is correct. So our final answer is angle A is equal to 20.49 degrees, angle B is equal to 43.41 degrees, and angle C is equal to 116.10 degrees. Thank you for listening and watching.